Good day, everyone. On behalf of my team, I am Siti Pasandalan from Mindanao State University Iligan Institute of Technology, Philippines. I will present our paper entitled Empowering Women to Improve Family Welfare Through a Container Gardening Program. Our team is composed of our project leader, Maryam Sorohiti, from the English Language Education Department of Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, Indonesia, project member Fitria Rahmawati, also from UMY, and myself, together with Nuha Amalia and Maulia Mizani Azar, our students from UMY. Family food security plays a vital role in community welfare, especially in Indonesia, where housewives are central in managing daily food needs. Container gardening plants, such as chilies, tomatoes, and spinach, offer a sustainable solution by providing fresh, pesticide-free food, reducing household expenses, and improving nutrition. While many programs focus on urban farming, they often overlook the empowerment of women and broader impacts on family well-being. Moreover, limited studies assess how housewives' interest changes before and after empowerment efforts, particularly within PKK women groups. This study aims to benefits of the program, feelings experienced by participants, cause of positive feelings, challenges or obstacles faced, and other notable findings. Our research focuses on PKK housewives as community change agents. It was conducted in a selected Indonesian communities using pre and post program comparisons to identify key influencing factors in participation and interest. The study used a qualitative approach with a participatory case study designed to explore the empowerment of housewives through container gardening. Data were collected from 12 purposely selected PKK members using interviews, observations, and visual documentation. Thematic analysis was applied to identify key patterns, supported by triangulation and member checking. Ethical principles such as consent and confidentiality were strictly followed, ensuring trustworthy and meaningful results within the community context. This slide summarizes three aspects of the findings from the container gardening program. The first column shows the main benefits, such as increased access to fresh vegetables, improved gardening skills for housewives, and growing ecological awareness like using kitchen waste as compost. In the second column, we highlight the feelings experienced by participants. Many participants expressed feelings of happiness, pride, and satisfaction as they saw their plants grow and bear fruit. Even daily routines like watering the plants became joyful and motivating. The third column explains the causes of positive feelings. Positive feelings were triggered by successful harvest, visible improvements in plant health after applying expert tips, and a strong sense of personal achievement. So the program not only delivered tangible outcomes like food, but also emotional growth and hands-on learning, which enhanced participant engagement and program sustainability. On this slide, we can see two key aspects of the kitchen gardening program: the challenges faced by participants and other notable findings that emerge. On the left column are the main challenges. Participants dealt with pest infections like ants, unpredictable weather conditions, time limitations, plant death after harvest, and issues like flower drop before fruiting. These challenges highlight both environmental and knowledge-related barriers in maintaining home gardens. In the middle column, we can see the causes behind these problems, ranging from biotic stress and lack of control over weather to limited technical knowledge and heavy domestic responsibilities. However, on the right side, we also see positive findings. Participants showed persistence even when plants failed, received family support in watering, and applied creative solutions like using rice water or eggshells. These reflect resilience, collaborations, and growing innovation at the household level. So while the program faced real obstacles, it also nurtured empowerment and problem-solving skills among participants. In conclusions, housewives showed growing interest, especially in health and gardening related motivation. However, some behaviors like sharing or community involvement remain moderate. This implies that future programs should not only boost personal motivation, but also build stronger community support and follow up training. This is some of our documentation. We look forward to hear your feedback. Thank you and Assalamu alaikum.